This is CRAFTOLOGER treasure box number 44, and you are getting this mold. This is a baby mold and it's very thick. Just give me 1 minute, I will show you. You can see the size. The size is 4 by 2.5 inch and it's thick. It's half inch deep, so it's a baby mold. Okay, and this totally is new one. There's 3 sizes. So size 1 is approx 5 inch, 6 inches, size 2 is approx 8 inches, and size 3 is approx 10 inches. So it's a very good, and it's the MRP is around 1000 rupees, 1080. This MRP is 1080. So the full MRP is 1580, but I am giving for 1000 rupees free shipping with this mold also. So it's a good offer. You can buy these two and get the free shipping. I hope it's clear. This for this mold only, the MRP is 1080, and this mold is also good one. So I am giving in these two mold I am giving for 1000 rupees. The whole set MRP is 1580.